Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. This is for the weekend of the 18th of September, Pisces. But, one second. Yeah, this is for the weekend of the 18th of September, Pisces. But these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, thank you, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your views and your likes and your shares and your care. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you into our Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings and weekends as well now, like this, for many weekend love bites. Do join our channel and join us. Okay, so I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you, Pisces, before I start the reading, okay? My angels, what do you have for Pisces now? What do you have for Pisces? A blessing or an advice card for my Pisces, please. Okay. Oh, stoop. Okay, so Spirit is saying, Pisces, right now, whatever you were trying to do, maybe it didn't go the way you wanted it. So you may be feeling that things really didn't go according to plan. But Spirit is saying, don't make any hasty decisions yet. Just rest it out a while, okay? Take a little step back. Don't be in a rush to do anything that you don't want, right? This is your second card, which is saying don't compromise. This is not the time to compromise on anything, whether it's your values, whether it's with a situation, whether it's anything. Right now, just hold your ground, Pisces, and take some time out before you make any major decisions in your life. Okay? So I'm going to put these cards here, Pisces, and let's start opening your cards to see what's coming up for this weekend. Three of Wands in reverse. Star, Hermit, Strength, Five of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Okay. So you stopped waiting for something. I think you've turned your back on something which made you like, you felt my wishes are not coming true here. And what's the point of waiting? At least that's what you thought. That it's better now that I don't wait around for this anymore. And because I want justice in my life, right? I want justice in my life. Whatever the situation was, probably didn't feel right to you, and at least temporarily, you've kind of turned your back on this. You're taking some time out, Pisces, to take stock of what happened here, right? What was the investment put by me, by the other person, and you are looking for clarity now. And you're also thinking, maybe you're dealing with an air sign here, and you're kind of thinking now, what did this person do, and what did this person thinking, or what happened in this relationship? You're taking some stock of something but right now I see that you've turned your back on this person. You feel quite sad that, the way you dreamt of things happening, maybe they didn't happen like that. Yeah, you felt that somebody in your life was a mischief maker. They really didn't do right by you. You spent a lot of time in isolation, but now I think slow and steady you are gaining your strength now after a period of feeling totally down and out, right? You felt totally defeated. You felt somebody had plunged these 10 swords into your back, and your intuition wasn't talking to you either. You just couldn't see straight because of whatever happened here. But now I think, Pisces, you're regaining your strength here. You're regaining your strength here, and after this fight that has happened, there's some fight or something that's happened here. Yeah, you walked away. You walked away from this person after a major fight that's happened. You kept your self-respect and dignity intact. But you're still grieving. You're still grieving somewhere. You're looking at the past. You're thinking of all the things which went down. You're taking stock of, whatever happened in the past. in this fight, and it doesn't really make you feel good. You're still holding strong, Pisces. I would say congratulations. You are still holding strong. You're still appearing, at least to others, as the Queen of Wands, the go-getter, happy person who's always celebrating life and saying, hey, it doesn't matter, I'm going to move ahead in my life and I'm going to rejoice and I'm going to shut this chapter and maybe start a new one. But are you really feeling like that, Pisces? One more card, Spirit, for the Queen of Wands. What is she actually going through? Yeah, see, you still are grieving somewhere with the bad memories of the past. You still think about the memories that were created by the person that you're thinking of and how they were not that good. There's a lot of grieving going on. Maybe there was no commitment offered, or maybe there was lack of commitment and you were strong. You didn't compromise on your self-respect, which is the same card that our angels gave. You did the right thing. This is a confirmation. If that's what you did, Pisces, if this is a confirmation, you did the absolute correct thing. Take some time out. You don't have to be in a rush. You are coming across as the Queen of Wands, right? So this weekend, Pisces, I see this person, whoever is your counterpart, okay, they are going to face some kind of karma. They are also in deep regret of what happened, okay? They're also in deep regret of the way things went down. Right now, I see this masculine having lost his power completely. Something they did in the past, maybe they tried to be one up on you or something, they are feeling that this whole situation has backfired on them. Right? Maybe because you left and maybe now you're looking gorgeous, you're looking single, you're looking happy, and what they tried to do to you, they see it hasn't really affected you, and now they're feeling, oh my God, it's my karmic justice or karmic punishment that this has happened to me. Yeah, they see you as their sunshine. They see you as when you were in their life, things were so good, and now here they are powerless with no control. They're not feeling happy at all. They know that they have to make a decision soon, Pisces, but right now I don't think they have the strength to even make it. Or they don't know how it's going to go because I think you've pulled your energy back. They are willing now, I think, to put some work towards this. They want to work towards moving back towards you. But they're not sure whether. Let's see, Spirit, what's his judgment in reverse? One more card, Spirit. I think you are rejecting that offer. The feminine here is rejecting this offer as of now for this weekend, which is kind of breaking hearts, or maybe both your hearts are broken at the moment. They are also wishy-washy maybe in their offer, whatever they're bringing to you, and it's leaving both of you stuck. It's leaving both of you stuck this weekend. I don't see any renewal happening this weekend. But Pisces, do know it's for the best, right? Let this person realize what they've lost. It's not your time to compromise at all, okay? You take some time out and heal that broken heart of yours. That's what I would recommend. Rest, of course, you have free will, Pisces. If you need a personal reading for your situation, you can always reach out. But I'll see you next week. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.